Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Larson with St. Elizabeth Physicians. Advanced care planning is important for every adult. It allows you to control and communicate your healthcare wishes in the event of a life-threatening injury or illness. It is a journey for setting goals and having powerful conversations about the healthcare you would want in your future if you could not speak for yourself. Your loved ones should be part of your advanced care planning. This is an opportunity for you to tell your family and your healthcare team what matters most to you. Make your family aware of your healthcare values and goals ahead of time. Rather than leaving these decisions up to others, you assure that your voice is heard in situations about your healthcare. This is a gift to your family and your loved ones. It provides your family guidance on your wishes, and it provides you with the peace of mind that your wishes will be followed. Talking with your primary care team about advanced care planning is a good idea. Your doctor is aware of your current health and can talk to you about possible healthcare needs in the future. Your primary care team can help you and your family get started. As you begin advanced care planning, think about what gives your life meaning and purpose, how will my decisions impact my time spent with my loved ones, and what is important to me. Discuss your plan often with your family and your healthcare team. Annual wellness visits are a perfect time to talk with your care team about advanced care planning and create or update your plan to reflect your values and goals. After you have discussed your goals and your choices with your loved ones, then you can document them in an advance directive or a living will. These forms include your specific wishes and the healthcare actions that you would want if you were no longer able to speak for yourself. Your St. Elizabeth Primary Care Office has care management staff that would like to help you every step of the way in your advanced care planning journey. Contact your primary care office or our St. Elizabeth Physicians Care Management Team at 859-655-8813. We are right here for you, our patients, our employees, and our community.